In this video, I'm going to teach you how to ship your items cost effectively. Now, this is very important because although you may be saving a little bit of money each time you ship a product, over time, that little bit of savings adds up and you will save a ton of money when you start shipping cost effectively. So first of all, it's important that you ship from home. And the reason why this is so important is not only is it convenient, because you don't have to drive to the post office or the UPS store, but it also will save you a lot of money. So with eBay, you can directly print USPS or United States Postal Service shipping labels. And then if you have the right shipping supplies at your home, you simply put that label on your package and then deliver it at the nearest mailbox. Now, when you're choosing what shipping supplies to buy, there's an important distinction to make between one-time supplies and reoccurring supplies. And you're going to need both in order to ship your products. So one-time supplies are things that are a little bit more expensive, but you only have to buy them once and you can use them on a limited amount of times. So the first one of these is a tape dispenser. And if you've ever moved, you actually might already have one of these. It's usually used to package boxes, but it's really important that you use a heavy tape dispenser, such as the one in the picture, instead of just using a small roll of tape when shipping your products. The next thing you will need is a shipping calculator. And that's because you need to determine the weight of your product in order to buy the right postage. Then you have your reoccurring supplies. And these are items that you have a limited amount, so when you use them up, you have to buy more. And the 4 types of reoccurring supplies that you need are bubble wrap in the top left corner, tape for your nice tape dispenser, as you can see in the bottom left, bubble mailers in the top right, and finally shipping labels, and that's in the bottom right. And the shipping labels are pieces of paper that you can stick in your printer, and on eBay you can print shipping labels directly on that piece of paper, and they come off just like a sticker, and you can attach it to your bubble mailer with your product inside. Now keep in mind that the bubble mailer will work for most types of products that you're selling, but if you're selling a product that's too big, then you might need to buy a bigger bubble mailer or even a cardboard box. Now all of this supplies can be found on Amazon's website, and attached to this video I'll include a list with links to these products on Amazon and how much you can expect to pay for each of them. Now, it's just really important that you start shipping cost effective early, because although it is an expense to buy these items, once you buy them, you're going to save a lot more money in the long run.